spot this train, and it is currently barreling full speed towards that giant pit over there.
We're also crashing countless cars, blowing up thousands of sticks of real dynamite, and even putting 10 jet engines on a car. Just do not try this in your house. For this experiment, each of the boys will hide a dummy in my new house to see if it's even possible to survive this house up. Hey, be careful. If you accidentally press 1, the house explodes.
Oh my goodness.
Where's your mannequin?
Bathtub.
Fridge.
Under the washer.
Tree?
Front porch.